Have you ever paused to ponder the silent revolution happening on our roads? The once alien concept of electric vehicles is now not only a reality, but a rapidly growing trend. So what sets these futuristic chariots apart from our beloved traditional gas guzzlers? Electric vehicles, or EVs as they're commonly known, are powered entirely by electricity. This is a stark contrast to traditional vehicles which run on internal combustion engines, fueled by petrol or diesel. This difference in power source leads to a host of other contrasts between the two types of vehicles. When it comes to performance, EVs can give their gas-powered counterparts a run for their money. They offer rapid acceleration and smooth operation thanks to their electric motors. Traditional cars, on the other hand, rely on a series of small explosions in their engines to generate power, which can result in a less smooth ride. Then there's the environmental impact. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them a much greener choice. Traditional vehicles, however, contribute significantly to air pollution, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows for EVs. The production of their batteries is energy intensive and can have a significant carbon footprint. Maintenance is another area where EVs shine. With fewer moving parts than traditional cars, they typically require less upkeep. However, replacing the battery can be a costly affair. Traditional cars might need more regular maintenance, but their parts are often cheaper and easier to source. Let's not forget about fuel costs. Charging an electric vehicle can be significantly cheaper than filling a traditional car with gas. But the upfront cost of EVs is usually higher, although this gap is closing with advancements in technology and increasing demand. So to sum it up, electric vehicles and traditional vehicles each come with their own set of pros and cons. EVs offer better performance, lower emissions, and cheaper fuel costs, but can be more expensive up front and have a significant carbon footprint due to battery production. Traditional vehicles, while often cheaper up front and easier to maintain, contribute to air pollution and can be more expensive to run due to fuel costs. The choice between an electric vehicle and a traditional one often comes down to personal preference and circumstances, but one thing is for sure, the rise of electric vehicles is a clear sign of the changing tides in the automotive world. In the grand scheme of things, the shift to electric vehicles is a step towards a greener and more sustainable future. As technology continues to advance, we can only expect the performance, efficiency, and affordability of electric vehicles to improve. In the end, whether you're a steadfast fan of traditional vehicles or an electric vehicle enthusiast, this silent revolution on our roads is a fascinating chapter in the ongoing story of human innovation. So, as we navigate these changing times, it might be worthwhile to keep an open mind and stay curious about the possibilities that lie ahead. And there you have it, a quick jaunt through the world of electric versus traditional vehicles. Remember, the future is not something we enter, the future is something we create.